information, they are my PhD and master's students, and they are researching on several different topics. Okay. For PhD students, can you just please behind? Yeah, no, including them. Okay. So we have 4 PhD students, and the others are masters. So the purpose of this meeting today is to learn from Dr. Nadi's expertise on how to write bibliometric paper. You are all aware that for your graduation you need to write and publish, okay, in order for you to graduate. And I think having bibliometric paper and later on literature review paper will be very, very helpful, especially for those who are not so sure which resources you need to take care of and so on. So with that, thank you, Dr. Nadi, and please start the session for us.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. for inviting me. I'm not so very long, but yeah, I have conducted over 280 workshops regarding the same issue since 2007. Yeah? My major is totally different. My background is engineering, mechanical engineering. Then go to the industry to get some experience from industry, and then back here again to get PhD in industrial engineering. It's totally different from the team which I present. But during my PhD, because I had over 18 years experience in industry, and as a mechanical engineer, we usually looking for the tools to fix everything. Yeah? Then when I joined here as a PhD candidate, I found everything is very difficult. I should write paper by myself. I should search paper by myself. I should find the problem statement by myself, and so on. Then I tried to find some tools to help me to do my process faster and more accurate. So, since 2007, I have collected over 1,000 tools to help me to accelerate my PhD process. And because the main objective here is to write a paper, I just tell you a story. If they appoint me as a VC, I never give you offer letter and publish 2 papers. I request you to submit 100 and publish 20. Then I will graduate you. Yeah. Yeah. Just pray I will never be your VC. Yeah. Yeah. Because it's very, very easy. I published with first 2 years of my PhD journey 40 papers until the conceptual model without collecting any data. Means you are able to publish even 40 papers, or at that time the university will not push us to publish in ISI and so on, but right now the university asking you to publish in ISI. At that time, they even considered the conference paper and so on. That's why out of this 27 of them was conference paper. But I published because even conference paper, you need to spend some time to write. Okay, today objective is to know in every step of your research, you are able to publish. One step is before doing your literature review. Before reading anything, yeah, you can write a paper based on the bibliometric. And who knows what's the meaning of bibliometric? And what type of the paper is it? Except me, Jen, Kinchen. Okay, I don't reply. Okay, there is. Okay, tell me, what's the meaning? What's the meaning of bibliometric? Any idea? No idea. No, nothing. No, it's not literature review. Literature review.
The term is more to like bibliography is
like what?
Like bibliography, like you statistical analysis research paper.
Yeah, statistical analysis research paper. Yeah, good answer. Yeah, very good. Yeah. It's not a literature review, it's before literature review. For literature review, you need to read the paper, but for bibliometric paper, you do not need to read the paper. Yeah? You just overview statistically the number of publications in your area of the research. For instance, you want to prove MOOC is one of the best titles which I can select. Or every career faculty is one of the best titles which I can select. How we can prove it? One of them is to read the paper, go through the literature, and then prove according to it. But before reading the paper, you also able to do statistically analyze all the paper which published in your area of the research, and then prove there is still need to do something. For instance, very simple example. Okay, it's better to ask from you. I would like to give you any example, because all the things we want to work with is about the tools here. So I want to know the knowledge about the tools. Just explain. Usually, writing a bibliometric paper is 2 full days workshop. Okay, and maybe in future, Dr. Farah make decision to conduct this 2 full days workshop or 1 day's workshop, but 2 days introductory. So for introductory workshop, usually I just ask very fast from the tools, but you will be informed about the steps that you should do for writing the bibliometric paper. And writing a bibliometric paper is very easy, and within 1 month you can publish your paper, write your paper, because publication may take times. In high-rank journal, within 1 month, if you spend the whole month in the paper, then it's easy because the data is available online. Okay, before I start, I need to know your level of knowledge about the tools. Okay, just from here, yeah? How many PDF files you already have regarding your research area? How many? Hundreds. How long it takes to collect these 100 papers? 1 month, 2 months? Okay, can you help him to find all these 100 papers in few seconds? Few seconds? Do you know any tools to assist? You know? Google. I mean, through the Google you can find 100 PDF files in few seconds? I don't think so.
You can find that it's not related.
Related.
What,
Okay. Okay, just assume you have 100 PDF files and you want to write a paper based on this one, yeah? This 100 paper. Do you know any tools to assist you to extract the title and subtitle for this 100 without reading one sentence? Mendeley is like reference management. No, to suggest you some topic and subtopic for writing the paper. No, done. Forget about the writing part. Go about the submission. Do you have any tools to help you to submit your paper in a journal which the acceptance rate is very high and also the response time from editor also is very low? Don't do any tools. You ask your supervisor, yeah? Which journal rejection rate is low, yeah? Okay, from here, any type of the tools you know to help you tell me, anything. Web of Science. Any. Google Science. Just try to be a little bit scientific. Okay, Web of Science is good, yeah? Any type of the tools. I mentioned I have collected over 1,000 tools in my tools box. Yeah, you remember one Web of Science. You have 999 extra one. Okay, think later on that. Any? Scopus. All thinking about the database. Any other tools?
I'm about to say Scopus.
Your term is remaining there.
Eric is also a
The
database.
database. Don't talk about the database already mentioned, yeah? About the other. No idea. No idea. Your turn. No idea.
Tools maybe a software in analysis
Yeah,
data,
yeah, which one?
like PPLS or
Okay, like SPSS, yeah, any software for analyzing your data. Okay, perfect. But if you don't have any tools to assist you, it takes longer your PhD or master time. Okay? If you use the tools, then you are casting. Because the bibliometric paper is a type of the paper. You should be familiar how to write a paper first. And then choose one topic, bibliometric paper. Another one, literature review paper. Another one, research paper. Another one, conceptual paper. Another one, other type of the paper. Tell me, other type of the paper. Yeah, I already mentioned literature review, conceptual model, bibliometric paper, research paper. I already mentioned, and some other type of the paper. Conference paper. So, and thinking meta-analysis is also a part of the literature review. Yeah, is literature review. You have systematic literature review, meta-analysis. The other type.
Qualitative.
Letter to editor, data paper. Okay, technical paper. Yeah, we have a different, you should know the different type of the paper, then know the difference. So if you want to publish more paper, you should know what other opportunities available to publish. Yeah, for instance, data paper is a type of the paper which you can use by merging to database and publish one new paper. Means all the data is available, just merging together and create a new database, publish one paper. You make a link between the education system in Malaysia and the GDP income and create a new database. Then you can publish very fast. Yeah? Okay, go to the bibliometric paper. Okay, no need to write anything. All of my presentation available online. Yeah? If you just type my name, Nader, and my ID 10797, you have access to all of my presentation file. Okay? Just Google in Nader 10797. Then you have access to all of my presentation. I will do the same process here. 100. And you can download all my presentation files available here. Or you can directly, because you need this one, you can directly looking for this discount. Yeah? Write in the Google, Share is a database for keeping all teaching material, and the paper number is 3032332, and then download the paper. Yeah? I will appreciate if you share this one through your friends, your colleague, through all social media you have, means the Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, even Google Plus, whatever you have here, just share. Do you know? Because one of my duties is to improve the research impact. If you share, then you can get credit. So right now my credit is 2, yeah? Very low, yeah? And because the number of page view is less than 1,000, the number of download is 80, and few people share. Okay, if you share, I will, yeah? Great. Just type this number, download the presentation file. Okay, done? Okay, no need to explain about my department, but here a little bit I should explain. Yeah, good chance because she invited me. If you have any question, you cannot ask me. Because I'm not allowed to reply to you, any email, anything, because all the consultation is chargeable. Means if you come to my office, knock the door, for every 5 minutes you need to pay 60 ringgit to the office for consultation. If you want to do 1 hour consultation, they will charge you 250 ringgit. So this is the fee table actually. And for full day workshop, they will charge the department and so on. This is the payment table. And if you, for instance, need to continue, they charge. Okay, but we have some free workshop also. Welcome all of you, but not for tomorrow workshop because for tomorrow we receive over 40 people registered. How to select the journal? It was a very good topic. Yeah, I'm not sure still because usually 40 people register, but around 20 people come. Every Wednesday afternoon at 2, I have workshop level 2 in PPP. Yeah? Tomorrow you can come, work in registration, but you can. If any space available, then join to the workshop. I will talk about them, how to select a journal. I ask people to submit your paper faster to get the fastest response and the higher citation rate. You can register for free workshop by logging to your conference that you undertake my workshop series. Yeah? You will receive regularly to do your 618, the notification. Our next workshop regarding how to write a literature review paper, it's on 19 and 20 of December. For UN student, they charge 400, but for outsider, 1,500. If you like to attend, you can also have few seats is still available, you can register. Okay, no need to talk about myself, even here, go directly to the... Okay, what is the bibliometric? As you mentioned, bibliometric is statistically analyze all publication in your area of the research. Yeah? We are not going to read the paper. We're just looking for who's the best author, which journal published the most paper, which country contributed more, which institution paid more to do this type of the research, and what is the major declining and inclining keyword or phrase term in your area of the research. Which one is emerging, which one is growing again, which one is still remaining in the same level. Can you tell me one tools? Yeah, you have one topic, for instance, MOOC. Yeah? You want to know in the MOOC which phrase is a new phrase which coming in the area of the research, which one disappearing, which one remaining with the same level of the interest within last 5 years. Do you know any tools? What do you usually do? Read all the paper?
Download the paper.
Read, and then you realize by yourself, oh, this topic is growing fast, this one is declining.
From the citation.
From the citation. But we have tools. Have you ever heard about these tools? Very weird. The university pay a lot to subscribe these tools, yeah? For you to use it. Skyward, yeah? Is one of the tools based on the Scopus databases. It's very, very powerful. Yeah? You can use, for bibliometric paper, we use such a these tools, yeah, to extract the data. It's not necessary to read. The definition is without reading, we only looking for the publication trend. Within a decade or 2 decades, it depends on your area of the research. Okay? And I think it's not necessary to emphasize a lot because all of you bring your laptop and I'm interested to go to the practical one. Okay? But we have a lot of things here. Right now, even the patent metric also coming in that area because a lot of university looking for commercialization, to register the patent, and so on. Okay, who knows the meaning of? If you don't know, you can read later to the link or directly click my presentation and go to the link and get the information about each area of the research. Okay, no need. Okay, why I just click this one? Because it's your duty to read the text later on. I try to go to the practical part, yeah? What is the sensometry and so on, or even the patentometry, and what's their application and so on. Okay, this is again a summary. We're just looking for the pattern in the publication, for the structure, and the impact of the effect. But we want to write the bibliometric paper, so we should know about the different factors which we should consider for measuring the impact. Okay, from here, tell me one factor for research impact. Because in bibliometric, we should measure the scholarly outputs by their impact. So,
measure.
yeah, yes, must be measurable. And we should know what type of the impact existed first. The first one, very long, impact factor. How many of the paper published in the high-ranked journal, for instance, yeah? So this is one criteria. One of the field which you can measure. Okay, add one more. H index, yes, perfect. What is the author H index? Yeah, okay, perfect. Any? Number of citation. Very good. No, same cannot. You're typing back to you. Because you want to write a bibliometric, you should know what factor influence on the impact of the research. You should know at least the name, then we measure. Well, definitely you know, just think and tell me. No? Okay. Okay, please bring one paper, a blank paper, yeah? And the answer which you mentioned no, okay, you should find by the end of this class. Okay, yeah? Because during my talk you can't find the answer, but just write down, yeah. Yeah, my question was to find some factor which has impact on the research, and we can measure with this factor the research output, yeah? The research output. One of them is citation, H index, journal impact factor, what else? Number of citations she mentioned. No, think more, think more. More. Okay. No need, again, no need. Okay, the database also you already know, so I will pass this one very fast. Very fast. Okay, just I have a question here. Because they ask you to publish in ISI. The ISI means from the definition of UN. The ISI means the paper which indexed by Web of Science in Science Citation Index social science citation index, art and humanities citation index, and the journal has impact factor which appear in journal citation report. This is the definition from University of Manila. For instance, we have another databases under Web of Science. What is this database name? ESCI, Emerging Source Citation Index. If you publish in ESCI, the UN won't consider ISI data. If you publish in Social Science Citation Index, which the journal don't have any impact factor, means the journal not appear in journal citation report, then UN won't consider as an ISI data. So be careful about this one. And all together here, we have almost 12,000 journals. Don't worry, we have 12,000 ISI journals. We can pick up one of them and select. How many journals we have here? Escopus? Almost 22,000 journals we have in the Escopus. What about the Google Scholar? More than 60,000, yeah? All journals available here. What about the Microsoft Academic Research? Less. Okay, no need to go to the Thomson Reuters and so on. Okay, you need to know, I have published one paper in 2013. In 2013, I compared. Right now, I told you, this one is increased to 12,000 and this one increased to 22,000. But in 2013, almost all of the publication journal indexed by Web of Science, also indexed by Scopus. Only 934 journal was indexed by ISI and were not in the Scopus database. Means most of the journal indexed by most databases. Okay, for instance, this is one bibliometric paper. We didn't read anything, and my paper here, I think, received close to 100 times citation. This paper, very simple, yeah? I write a paper, just compare how many journal indexed in ISI, how many journal indexed in Web of Science. That's all, very simple. And this paper received many citations. Okay? Okay, you can write your answer right now. I ask you, yeah, what is the index? Yeah? One of them, for instance, is, this is only the author level. Only for author level we have H index, item index, article with citation data, average citation per paper, total citation, cited versus uncited, and so on. Yeah? Agent factor, impact point, research gate score, and so on. Yeah? Who knows what the meaning of this one? Who has research gate profile? You. What is your research gate score? Yeah, you can check it right now. Okay. Research gate score is one of them which research gate gives the researcher according to their activity in academic social network. How many publications he or